Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva text to video. First, navigate to the video section within Canva and select a template or a blank canvas. This feature allows you to quickly transform your written ideas into engaging visual stories. Simply type your text into the provided boxes, and Canva will help you bring your words to life with dynamic visuals. It's a fantastic way to create professional-looking videos with ease. Once your text is in place, it is time to add visual flair. Explore Canva's extensive library of stock footage, images, and graphics to complement your message. You can easily customize fonts, colors, and animations to align with your brand's identity or the mood you wish to convey. Remember to adjust the timing of each element for a smooth, professional presentation. To truly elevate your video, consider adding audio and special effects. Canva offers a rich collection of background music and options for voiceovers to enhance your narrative. Experiment with different transitions between scenes to ensure a seamless and engaging flow for your viewers. Additionally, applying filters and effects can give your video a distinct and polished appearance, making it truly stand out. Before sharing your masterpiece, always take a moment to preview your entire video. This allows you to catch any last-minute adjustments needed for text, visuals, or audio synchronization. Once you are completely satisfied, you can easily export your finished video. Canva typically offers high-definition export options, often at 1080 pixels, ensuring a crisp and clear final product for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.